This painting, filled with reds, purples and turquoises, has evolved into something that mirrors the Japanese tradition of honoring both permanence and transience. The temple, with its dark, solid structure, represents the unmovable forces of time and spirit. But the addition of vibrant colors, those that evoke the delicate cherry blossom, brings another layer of meaning. The fleeting beauty of life. The paint will be moving between the grounded nature of the temple that I am depicting and the colors of the ephemeral blossoms that surround it. Black and blue, like the foundation of the building, speaks to the enduring pursuit of truth, while the more expressive reds, purples and turquoises carry the soul of the cherry blossoms, adding warmth and vitality. The temple and blossoms coexist, one representing the eternal, the other the fleeting moments that give life meaning. Within this rich landscape, the story of the monk Jiro unfolds. Every spring he would sit beneath the cherry trees as their blossoms bloomed, contemplating life's fleeting beauty. The villagers would watch from afar as he meditated for hours, barely moving as the vibrant petals fell around him. The temple, towering behind him, stood as a reminder of the eternal. Yet Jiro was always drawn to the impermanence of the blossoms. Legend says that Jiro spent his life in pursuit of a single truth: how to reconcile the fleeting nature of life with the enduring nature of the soul. He would observe the cherry blossoms as they bloomed and fell. Each one moment in time, a reflection of a life lived. But every spring, as the blossoms disappeared, Jiro would fade too. slipping deeper into the shadows of the temple. His presence becoming harder to perceive. In the final years of his life, the villagers began to notice something strange. Jiro's meditations seemed to last longer and longer, until one spring, as the last blossoms fell, he never emerged from his place beneath the tree. Some say he became one with the temple's shadows, his form blending into the stone walls, his meditation never truly ending. Yet this disappearance was not one of loss, but one of transcendence. Jiro had found a way to bridge the fleeting beauty of life and the eternal truth of the soul. His spirit, they say, is still there within the temple, within the wind that stirs the blossoms, lingering like a shadow beneath the cherry trees. His meditation lives on. Life may be brief, but there is an eternal aspect to it that carries us beyond. And so, as the seasons pass and the blossoms bloom once more, the temple stands rich in color, a beacon of both permanence and change. The reds and purples of the blossoms remind us of life's beauty, while the dark structure of the temple holds the quiet presence of Jiro, whose journey never truly ended. In this painting, I've tried to capture both the fleeting and the eternal. The blossom's colors, vibrant yet temporary, swirl around the temple. While the shadows and deeper hues evoke the presence of something greater, something that lingers beyond what we can see. As Jiro discovered, the beauty of life is not diminished by its brevity. Instead, it's in these fleeting moments that we find the deepest truths. And perhaps, like the monk who found peace in the falling petals, we too can find comfort in the knowledge that while each moment passes, something eternal remains. The temple and the blossoms are not opposites, but parts of the same story. A story of balance, of living fully in each moment, while recognizing that some part of us, like Jiro's meditation, never truly fades.